Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with After Effects for Kinetic Typography Animations, complete guide. To start using After Effects for Kinetic Typography Animations, you first need to download and install the software. Go to the official Adobe website and sign in or create an Adobe ID if you don't have one. Navigate to the After Effects product page. Choose the plan that best suits your needs, whether it's monthly or annual. Click on the download button to start the installation process. Once the installer is downloaded, locate the file and double-click to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, launch After Effects for the first time. You will be prompted to log in with your Adobe ID. Enter your credentials and click Sign In to activate your software. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Explore the toolbar to locate the text tool for creating typography animations. Start a new project by selecting New Project from the welcome screen. Import any assets you want to use by clicking on File then Import. Create a new composition that suits your animation requirements. Select the text tool from the toolbar and click on the composition area to add your text. Adjust the font, size, and color according to your project's theme. Animate your text by creating keyframes in the timeline. Explore various animation presets found in the Effects and Presets panel. Use the graph editor to fine-tune the motion and timing of your animations. Preview your animation using the playback controls to ensure everything flows smoothly. Once satisfied, render your animation by going to Composition and then selecting Add to Render Queue. Choose your desired output settings and location before clicking Render. Congratulations! You have successfully registered and set up After Effects for Kinetic Typography Animations. Now you're ready to bring your creative visions to life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.